Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Realme Note 60. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Realme Note 60 and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Realme Note 60 settings section. After I click over there, it's going to appear just like this. You need to scroll down and then you will find just something says system. Simply click over there and then you will find just something say date and time. So from here, if you decide to set manual date and time, you need to turn off this set time automatically, and from here you can easily choose any date you want. So I will choose here this date and this month, and if you decide to change the time, you can easily choose any month or any time you want. So now you can see I successfully changed my phone date and time. So in this simple way you can easily change date and time in your Realme Note 60. But I will suggest you to turn on automatically date and time, which will help you to, for example, you are in London and you went to Dubai. So whenever you went to Dubai, whenever your phone is going to connect with the local network, automatically your phone is going to appear that country, that particular area time, which will be more useful. So anyway, I'm going to turn on automatic date and time. So for that, you need to click here again, setting, and then you need to scroll all the way down, and then you need to click here system, and then you need to click here date and time, and you can simply turn on set time automatically. So in this simple way you can easily turn on or off manual date and time in your Realme Note 60. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.